Alright, so you want to go viral on YouTube, but you're just starting out? Let's skip the boring advice and get straight to some step-by-step tricks that actually work. First, thumbnails. Treat your thumbnail as your video's billboard. Bright colors, bold faces, clear emotions grab attention. If you wouldn't click it yourself, redo it. Next, hook your viewers in the first 5 seconds. Ask a wild question, show the craziest moment, or say, "Stick around, the ending will blow your mind." If you get people to watch past the intro, YouTube pushes your video harder. Use trending topics, but add your spin. Don't copy, remix. If everyone's talking about AI, show it messing up making pancakes, or do something unexpected. Community posts, don't sleep on them. Polls behind the scenes, shots, weird questions. These engage your audience even if you're brand new. Watch your own videos all the way through on different devices. If you get bored, your viewers will. Edit it down until every second counts. Reply to every single comment fast. People love being seen, and early engagement tells YouTube your video's worth sharing. Thumbnail magic killer hooks, remixing the trends. Community posts, ruthless editing, comment hustle. Try these out, and who knows, maybe your next upload blows up. Hit subscribe if you want more real tips, no fluff. Thumbnail magic killer hooks, remixing the trends. Community posts, ruthless editing, comment hustle. Make faces big, colors bright. Simplify text. Trim the first 10 seconds to the hook. Test your hook on someone who scrolls fast. Use polls to seed ideas and boost reach. Reply fast. People share when they feel seen. Early engagement can trigger YouTube momentum. Small wins compound. You don't need perfect gear. You need consistent experiments. Thumbnail, hook, remix trends, community, edit plus reply. Do one for 30 days and learn fast. Schedule uploads and repeat what works. Keep testing. Sometimes one tweak changes everything. Hit subscribe if you want more real tips, no fluff. Catch you in the next one. Thumbnail magic, killer hooks, remix trends, community posts, ruthless editing. Subscribe for more.